The following garage door tune-up tip is brought to you by AAA Door Guys.
My garage door rusted because the weather stripping was busted.
Hey, AAA Door Guys. Garage door tune-up tips.
I'm AAA Chuck, your AAA door guy.
Tip number 8.
Weather stripping.
Whether the weather is hot or the weather is cold, good weather stripping makes your stronghold. Fasten with screws with no cracks and an airtight seal. Protect your garage door by keeping Mother Nature outside.
Weather stripping.
We have 10 tips in total to tell you about. Learn more about your garage door in our AAA Garage Door Tune-Up video. Be sure to visit us online.
AAA Door Guys. No garage doors were harmed during the filming of this garage door tune-up tip. In fact, we saved a few.
Good job, we're all ready? Yep. Get ready! We had a lot of fun making these tips. Brackets up top, brackets down low. Solid firm brackets make smooth doors flow. Attached in the corners, cables need brackets.